Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your Inday. And for today's video is ako po ay aawit po ng If I Ever Fall in Love Again. Basically, this is a duet song from Anne Murray and Kenny Rogers. But I'm gonna sing this song alone. Wala po akong kaduet. Let me see, baka see, no? Um, This is a most requested song from my past live streaming. I-cover ko lang ngayon kasi wala po akong live earlier at wala din akong gaanong upload. But just to update my analytics, gagawa po ako ng cover song. Though, kahit paos po ako ngayon, wala talaga akong boses but pipilitin ko pong katahin to. Ito po ay dedicated po sa lahat ng mga natitirang Migs Molino supporters or fans. Mabuhay tayo. We are the champion. Darating na araw kakantahin ko yan. And that's one of my cover. But this time, I will sing a song entitled If I Ever Fall in Love Again, sung by Kenny Rogers and Anne Murray. Sana magustuhan niyo po kahit paos na paos parang si Renz Berano tayo. Alright. It's another menu sa aking ito. Actually, this is not a new kasi ginagawa ko na to before and even sa live stream kumakanta po ako. But ibabalik ko po ngayon kung sino po or kung ano po ang mga songs na mga most requested songs i-cover ko yan. Meaning to say sa kakantahin ko my own rendition. Alright? I will play the song now or the accompaniment and I will sing now. You, I know you're everything that I've been looking for. And I look into your eyes and could not ask for more. So it's only fair to wait it on July. All of them gonna need a little time. Oh, if I ever fall in love again. Sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You are the one to pull me through. Do I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again. Scared, I guess I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down. And yeah, if you just trust me in, I'm sure I've come around. And I know when you hurt, it's hurt to let someone inside. All in your arms, I'm feeling now to try. Oh, if I ever fall in love again. Sometimes when this broken heart can mend, and know it's gonna be with you. You are the one to pull me through. Though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, I'll be a fool to let you go. You're the best thing in my life.
gonna be with you. You are the one to pull me through. Though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again. Thank you so much.
Again, fall in love again. And that song was brought to you by Kabunso Community. Ayan, dedicated to sa Kabunso community or Migs Molino community. Guys, let's support Migs Molino sa lahat ng kanyang mga activities, especially awardings. Kung may available ano kayo, do not hesitate to attend or cooperate or whatsoever. Whatever happen, hindi natin iiwanan si Bunso. Nandyan tayo para sumuporta. Dahil eto na, tayong natira, dapat patunayan natin na kaya natin kahit medyo konti lang tayo. But don't worry, kung may nabawas man, mas marami po ang babalik. Asahan nyo yan. Hindi man ngayon, hindi man bukas, someday. Just patience lang talaga ang kailangan natin. But we need to push. We need to push sa mga ginagawa po natin. Dapat natin i-push yan para maging more productive. Okay? And we want a happy lang community. So let's spread love, respect one another, and of course, kung may problema tayo, i-message nyo agad. Okay? Yan ang lagi kong sinasabi. Kung maaari, pag-usapan natin privately, not in public. Kasi ayaw ni Mix ng gulo. Okay? Ibigay natin kay Bunso. Kahit half lang sa year. Kasi May na ngayon, no? Start sa year magulo until April. So today is May already, and we need to make sure na that or these remaining months is para na kay Bunso. Okay? That's all for today, and I hope nagustuhan niyo po ang covered song ni Inday. Pasensya na po, wala po akong boses. This is your Inday. God bless everyone, and thank you for watching.